Welcome to another one of our Bluebeam Revu how-to tutorials, brought to you by BricsCAD Limited, where we show you how to maximize the potential of your investment in Bluebeam Revu. BricsCAD are the oldest established Bluebeam partner and your premium Bluebeam solutions provider. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to show you how to use the File Access panel. With the File Access panel, you can pin, organize, preview, and reopen PDF files with a single click. To open File Access, click on the File Access button from the panel bar on the left of the screen. You will see a list of your recent documents. Revu saves them there for quick access. You can sort the recent list by date, folder, most often accessed, or by access history. If you want easy access to documents, you can place your mouse over the document name, and when it's highlighted, you'll see a pin icon. Click it and select Pin File to pin it to the top of the list. It will, by default, be listed in the folder where it is located. After clicking on the pin icon, click on New Category to start a new group to add files to. Clicking on the File Access menu and selecting the File Explorer icon allows you to access files from your computer, with quick options to go to the main drive, your desktop, or Documents folder. You could open files from here. There are open and navigation options to help you access your documents. You can pin files as well. If you're working with BFX files for remote access, you can access them here as well. You also have the option to open files from your last session. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video useful. You can visit our website, www.brightergraphics.com, for more videos in the how-to series and all things Bluebeam Revu. We at BricsCAD welcome your feedback to help us to improve.